Yes, sir.
Yes, fire.
Yeah,
So what I say?
I don't know. Just about, you know.
Where,
Just I did the trot, still said we.
see, where we there right now?
Right now, they're right in the heart of Harare.
Skiing.
You know? The Sunshine City.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
So what's your name, Rasta?
Ras Jablani.
Ras Jablani. Where you hail from?
Well, Yard.
Yeah,
And is a repatriate.
repatriate. But
Yeah,
where you raised?
When we raised Yard, England, and we live in Africa longer than we live anywhere else.
No, you can't say Africa, you know. Africa is not a country, you know. It's a continent. Ethiopia. But where you there right now?
Right now, we're there in Zimbabwe.
Skiing.
Yeah, man.
Harare, Zimbabwe.
Harare, Zimbabwe.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
See. So where I do right now in Zimbabwe?
Mado?
Yeah, man.
Well, music, Rastafari running.
Rastafari works.
And everything on that level. You know? Yeah.
And you have to give Jah the glory.
Well, every time, because, you know, without the Most High, we don't have no life.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So we have to give thanks to life.
Do you have anybody in the fire and you want to hail up?
Well, right now, I just hail up all my youth, them, my youth, them, my children, my grandchildren.
You have to say them names, you know.
Yeah,
Because you see.
Farai, Aisha,
Yes, sir.
Elijah, Levina, right? Them they are foreign right now.
Which part in the fire?
Right. Aisha and my grandson, them they are Jamaica.
Right.
Right. My granddaughter Shanti.
Yes, sir.
And Kimera, my grand and niece them and nephew them. All of them they are England.
So what going this week in Zimbabwe? Next week in Zimbabwe?
Well, to Wagwan now, my father supposed to come in.
Skiing.
Right, and they don't know enough for the local artists and thing are going to flex. Right, and then more artists and things look for come in, Red Ratty, Mr. Easy and all them things later on this month. Yeah, man, so enough things are going for this particular month.
Me see in England with some sound boy. You have to hear them up too, you know.
Oh, my son?
Yeah, man, you have to hear the boy them.
Well, one, Saxon.
Trevor Sax.
Yeah,
man, Trevor ranking.
Right.
Yeah, man.
And Dennis Rowe them, I feel hear them up. My youth them from Troopers, I feel hear them up, said we, you know. Yeah. All of them, Sir Coxon said, these all of my old time spa them.
What about Rough Cut? You know anybody from Rough Cut? Rough Cut band.
Rough Cut
from
band.
Hwezha.
Yeah, man.
Who you know? Fish and Fiegan and Dashi them.
And Dashi, all of them affiliated.
Bubblers.
Bubblers.
Skin.
No, we can't forget Bubblers.
Yeah, man. Bubblers are the big producer.
Yeah, man.
See?
Yeah. So you don't know.
Who you talk to right now?
Well,
who you talk to right now?
I don't even want to call him mad because I don't say more than mad.
I mean, the big blood clot man in Zimbabwe.
The baddest thing for in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
But Minox, Silverstone, yeah, man, we have to heal them up because them are run things they come to sound right now in Zimbabwe. So big up.
Yeah, we have to heal the father and just give them the last teachings of Rastafari.
Well, the only thing where we have to really show ones and ones in this set time, love are the ultimate thing. And to get love, you have to have tolerance and you have to have patience.
Yes, sir.
So that I and I can come together. Because no matter what, I only one creator, which means all of we are one.
All of them wide.
One love.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Real Rasta. Bless.